Morning, guys. Morning, guys. The Gex slip at 50 today. Just mark those levels on the chart. Excuse me. Label these. Gex flip. Coordinate 50. We have a 60 Gex divergence too. Mark that. Coordinate 60. Ever so slightly. It's pretty large on a split. So label that. AOY does look like it is 49.80 today. With it being at 49.80, we marked it up. Next. Oh, big change right there. AOY is still 49.80 though. So we do have all our levels. Jesus, my trading view is glitching. Okay. Vana levels. See, this is pretty good in my opinion. You have Vana flip right here at the 50 level. We're holding that 50 level. This wouldn't be a terrible area to go long with stops below 50 on a close below 50, right? If we can get if we can get a drop in vol and push through 60, we should go higher. Speed flashing 49.80. Interesting. Data just changed heavily right there. Hold on. Gex flip at 35 with this different one. So just keep that in mind. It seems like it's flipping back and forth. Did we get what I'm talking about, guys? Not a bad place to go long here if you want to take stab at longs. Hold over 50 is, a hold below 50 would be your stops. Do what you want with that information. Size light, that's all I can really tell you, right? That's the signal for the day. Hold below 50, you close for shorts. You close your longs. But you should be able to, if you had entered at the 50 tap, you would have easily captured like 20% right there. Play it smart. If you want to wait till later, up to you. For me, I would just size very, very light here. That size like half or quarter size. I'll flip to a 2-minute for now, see what it looks like. Because we know we got that 5-minute hold up, right? You have till about 56 before you can seeing some resistance here already. Right. Let's do a little flip NVIDIA dumping, but still at fucking 700. Apple ripping faces back from the lows. Microsoft flat. Google lower. Amazon ripped faces. AMD down. Excuse me, guys. Okay, back to SPX. You guys understand why I suggested longs, right? Can't be that hard of a read. You should be up a good amount if you went long here, right? You guys capture that? Come on. You should easily be up like 20-30% here, maybe even 40. I would suggest trimming at 56, capture 6 points on the SPX, and then leave some runners for the GEX divergence at 49.60. Yeah, good scalp. Come on, guys. That was a very simple play. I'm hoping everyone captured that one. Yeah, it's a simple, very decent scalp, right? Regular bounce off of the GEX flip, no hold over, no 5-minute hold below. Very simple trade. Right, decent trim at 56. What did we talk about? Boom, baby. Did you get that trade? If you're happy with your profits, don't mind just closing them. Right, secure it. A very simple trade. It's a very simple 10-point cap, right? Play to the divergence. I'd keep in mind NQ is not looking the same as a heads up. See? NQ does not look the same, so just keep that in mind. ES took out these highs just now while SPX didn't, so just keep that in mind. Right? Oh wait, SPX did take out those highs. That's where I would watch out for. That would definitely be a good area to trim. If ES can hold this high right here on a 5-minute or SPX, whatever, whichever one you're watching, same thing, same shit, different toilet. Yeah, that's all I can do is like I'm not gonna give you a signal, but I can just suggest to you like, okay, hold over 5, right? ES or SPX is flushing this right now, so like I said, first PQ was that 6-point high. So I just took a look at the contract. You guys should have easily been able to enter like 5-5, exit at 7, or 5, exit at 7, something like that. The 5-minute, right? Yeah. Could have taken that easily to 7.5 on the 60 calls. That was I'm assuming people captured like 20, anywhere from 20 to 40% there. Yeah, perfect, guys. Good shit, guys. Good cap. 3 to 5, easy. 40%, easy. We had a perfect trim right here and right here. Or sorry, this level right here at that 56, not a hold above it. NQ new lows. NQ new low of day. This is going for low. SPX is going to go for low of day. Please tell me we caught that and we trimmed 5.3 to 7. Perfect. Literally, come on, guys. Quick fit 40. Any quick 40%. How can you not? How can you hate that? Right in the morning. Right in the AM. Easy trades, guys. Quick little, anywhere between 40 to 50%. How can you dislike that? NQ, sweep the low. We like that trade, guys. That's it. No mas. Keep the green. Could honestly fuck off the rest of the day if you wanted to. Quick 40%. Go back to sleep. Hit the night. Doesn't look like it wants to hold this. NQ is flushing. Yeah. NQ is flushing. ES or SPX new low. Nasdaq trying. ES new low. NQ still hasn't wiped that low from earlier. Personal opinion, below 50. What do I need to see as a confirmation to go long at 50? Is a 5-minute close above 50. That's what I would watch for, but it doesn't look like we're getting that. So just keep that in mind. A lot of fat speakers today. Yeah, I mean, you guys got that early morning scalp, so I would honestly just fuck off for the day, personally. Do a one and done. One second, guys. Hold on. Thank you. A lot of fat speakers. Yeah, I would fuck off for today. I even want to fuck off for today. It's a nice 40% right there. We're below that Gex flip. We could tap 20. Yeah, NQ's flushing, ES flushing. AMD down 3%, Nvidia down 1.5%, Google slightly green, AVGO red, Apple green, Microsoft. It's mixed today, guys. I wouldn't even bother looking, personally. It's mixed as hell. Right? SPX hitting support here. Flush below the support, I wouldn't doubt we tap 20 again. Yeah, 25 would act like support. Personally, I'm not looking at shorts. I'm more biased on the upside. So, and knowing knowing that we could push down, but it's against my good old fashioned bias. It's not my ideal trade. This isn't to say you cannot take it, but as of right now, that's not my ideal setup. So, or that's not what I was looking for today. What I was looking for today was that first hold above 50 for longs, right? And we capped that. So we hit a trim. Only 6 points, don't get me wrong. Very minimal, but you know, Still a decent trade above, or still a decent trade capping 40, anywhere between 20 to 40%. NQ's flushing, ES, SPX gonna drop here. Yeah, NQ with a big flush. Yeah, see. Huge flush, so. We value area high from pre-market today, right here. Or value area low, sorry. Honestly, may just call it a day. 30 minutes, got one trade in, right? Why would you not want to call it a day? Fucking cold today, bro. That's how you draw skew. We're in a negative environment right now, so it's slightly different. We have class. We have class today. Forget it. ES finding support. Wait, is that ES? Am I fucking stupid? Why does my ES look different here? 1 minute, 1 minute. Oh, this is a 5 minute. That's why. I have support right here. NQ. NQ down 0.3%, ES only down 0.07. Good. I got nothing else for today, really. I'm fucking sitting here. Not That's an absolute snorefest, guys. What's the key point to watch when total gets flipped positive to negative? Potentially. I would a hold below 50s, a break of that Gex flip, right? I'm saying if we get a break below this, I don't doubt that we go to 20. That was it right here. Break below, show retest held below that support level. 20 bound. I think for today, we may, since it's all negative gex, even if we get down, it's going to be the same thing as yesterday. Potential V-shape recovery. Target 50 for your gex flip. If you miss this short, just wait for a potential reversal back up through negative exposure. We should push right through like yesterday. Like right now we're in negative exposure, so I don't doubt that we could, like even here, somewhere random. So. Uh, do we want this live to be at 75 people? Jesus Christ. Might just get the same shit as yesterday. I'm telling you right now. Yes, with a pump. What did we talk about? Getting a big push up. How's the NQ looking? Let's see. Recovery. Have a low volume note here. See what happens. Bounce right there. Low volume node. Northwest guys. Think I might just call it a day here. Hello. What are my thoughts now? Kind of just it's tough because there isn't really an obvious GEX support, so it's kind of just retest this. Wouldn't be a bad idea to long up to the GEX flip, and you could leave stops at low of day, so you risk 3 points for a potential. Well, that's if we hold above this. If we don't hold above this, then I wouldn't take that trade personally. If we don't get a hold above this support, I wouldn't even look. Yeah, you could definitely say there's a potential reversal, like reject a 50 of the GEX flip. That's a definite potential. I wouldn't doubt it if there are dark bull orders up there. But yeah, personally, I'm done for the day. Nothing ideal, especially if I can't seem to find a support. I do think if we get a drop in vol, and let's say we're at 60 and we get a drop in vol, we could squeeze above 60. Could easily squeeze above 60. Yeah, not a problem. It's nothing I really like today other than that morning. I mean, like I said, you could get a potential long above let me see. Yes, did we flush any of these lows? No. Like this looks pretty primed to go back up. I do want to say that though before I hop off. I think it looks clean to go back up. If we can get on DEX, or sorry, on D adjusted, it shows 60 and we have negative Vaughn exposure at 60. If we get to 60, I do think, and we get a drop in vol, I do think we get a squeeze above that today. That's if we make it up there. Keep that in mind. But anyways, yeah. That being said, I don't think I want to sit here much longer. Gio and I got a lot of things. We got to take care of. So But I'll stay on for a few more minutes, see if anything interesting happens. So yeah, no problem, guys. I will I'm gonna end it here. We have 78 people, but at this rate there's not much going on that I like. So once again, right, what did we say? There was no hold above that. We finally broke the wait for a retest and a hold, and we didn't hold above that level. So I think this is primed to go lower. We might tap 20 today. Unless we can get a support here, maybe. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna end it here, guys. And thank you guys for tuning in. With that being said, as always, keep moving forward. See you guys tonight for the 6 o'clock class. All right, I'll send a Zoom link out in the Discord as a reminder.